How to rescue unsaved Word document or Excel office. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can recover or rescue your unsaved documents such as your Word documents or your Excel documents in your Microsoft Office. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your Word document. After your Microsoft Word opens up, you should be on this page right here. So you can open up any random document from here. After you do that, tap on the file option on the top left. Then tap on info. After you tap on info, you'll find this option that says manage document. Tap on this and you'll find recover unsaved documents. Tap on this. And from here, you will be able to find your unsaved documents in this folder. So you can search for the document that you have missed or deleted unexpectedly, then open it up. And that's how you rescue your unsaved documents such as your Word and Excel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.